WordPress uses external requests to communicate with other websites, other web servers, and sometimes we need to know if there are any external request errors. Similar to this, or similar to these errors. Let's see how to view your external request errors. I am using plugin called HTTP Requests Manager. It records and shows WP HTTP requests, which is also known as external requests. External requests are performed by WordPress core or by plugins that you use in your WordPress. So after installing and using for a couple days, you can navigate to Tools and HTTP Requests Manager page. Report will be loaded and you will see latest requests happening here, and this is one of the external request errors. It is SSL error. It's checking site health and it shows that it had an error. So there are many other requests. To make it easier to view errors, navigate from the top grouping menu, select group by response, and now we can see only errors grouped, and we can see easily errors here. So this is SSL error, which is not important because it's requesting my own website, and I am using Cloudflare, so it's not going through Cloudflare, but it goes directly from internal without traveling to Cloudflare, and I have a SSL defined in Cloudflare. So that's why this is not important for me. For your website it may be different. And these are blocked requests by some other plugin, so that's why it shows as error. Let's see if we have other errors. Navigate to other pages of the report and we see here other errors. So we can see that this is error by status code. So if we click on it, we can see explanation. What is this error? Too many requests. And we can see that it's probably it's a pingback check, so it's not important, but we see it's an error. So anything else? No, they are all too many requests. Let's navigate to other page. So this is a different error. It says too many redirects. So probably it's redirecting from HTTP to HTTPS. And if it's important, no, it's also pingback. It's not important. So too many requests error. We have seen this is page not found error. Yeah, not found. It's also pingback, so it's not important as well. This is forbidden error. In this page, there is no important requests because they are mostly pingback checks. But depending on your website, you may have different errors. Some may be related to plugins, and one plugin has an external error. So that means some functionality of that plugin will not work. For example, it may be backup plugin, it may be some payment plugin, it may be some sending email plugins probably. So if you have unfunctional plugins, some features which might be not functioning from time to time, you can if you have installed HTTP Requests Manager plugin, it will log all those errors, and then you can go to the reports and see what those errors were, and then debug from there. Then you can tell about that error to plugin owner, or you can repeat that process which caused the error and on repeated, and you can fix that error like repeating sometime some other time, for example. So HTTP Requests Manager is good for viewing, and it also can be used to optimize your WP HTTP requests. So you can see here it's blocked. It optimizes by blocking not useful requests. For example, these are blocked enclosure checks, which is not useful. I have another video about enclosure checks and about pingbacks. Check them out as well. If you want to optimize your WP HTTP requests, then you can also use this plugin. It's available on WordPress repository. Also, I will post a link in description as well. You can access it from my website as well. If you want more WordPress optimization, I have a checklist. I use it on all my websites to get 90 plus Google page speed score. You can access it from my website webpa.com/speed. I have a playlist designated to WP HTTP requests. So it's about optimizing, it's about managing, it's about viewing errors, etc. It has lots of videos in there. Check it out. I will post a link in description as well. Thank you for watching, liking and sharing these videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos about WordPress optimization.